Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use paper trading on Tradingview in 2026. So first of all, simply open Tradingview. Afterwards, you need to log in into your account. Then you need to open any of the charts in front of you, just like I did here. So once you have opened the chart, it can be Forex, crypto, stocks, it really doesn't matter. So on this particular chart page, you just have to click on the trading panel option in the bottom left hand corner of the screen. Over here, it is going to show you the list of the brokers which you can connect with your TradingView account. But since we want to enable paper trading over here, you just have to click on the option of paper trading, which will be the first option. After that, click on the option of connect. So once it is connected successfully, you will see your paper trading balance over here and some of other your account related details. If you don't see paper trading, you can also click on the option of show all brokers, which I've showed you earlier, and then you can just simply select the paper trading option from those. So here, once you have enabled paper trading, you first of all can basically reset your balance. So click on the option of this settings icon. After that, click on the option of reset account. Now it will give you the option of selecting your balance. So from this list, you can select the initial balance, select your currency. After that, you can select the leverage and click on the option of reset. So once you have done that, when you go here on TradingView, you will see the buy and the sell option here on the top left hand corner of the screen. So with the help of these two buttons, you can just simply place your orders here. So let's say based on your analysis, you want to take a short position. So you just have to use the short tool just like so. After that, you need to set your SL and TP just like so. Now simply click on the option of sell. Now it will ask whether you want to place this particular order on the market order or the limit order. So you can select any of these options over here and then basically click on the option of sell. Similarly, you can just simply use the buy option if your bias is on the buy side and if you want to take the buy trade. So once you are in the trade, you can easily exit from the trade by closing it fully. All of the trades result will be visible here by clicking on this paper trading option in the bottom left hand corner. You will see the ticker or the symbol in which you were trading, your side, the quantity, and bunch of other details here. So you can manage everything with the help of this section. This is how you will be able to use paper trading option in TradingView. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.